Alright, let's see. I got this in. Pretty proud of myself. Such a major task, you know. Yes. But anyway, I got it in. It's in a nice spot. Pretty easy to get at if you need it. You can read the, you want to always put these where you can read the dial. Make sure it's charged at a glance, right? So there's my little one there. I'm going to just keep it right in there. So how this works, pull your grenade pin, pop that, you got your extinguisher. So, oh boy, this is going to be fun to do this with one hand, because alright, I'm going to have to prop you guys up over here. I guarantee you, you're going to be able to see anything. Because this requires two hands, I do believe. What's going on? What did I do? Get this too tight? Oh, come on. I just had it working good. There we go. Alright. We're good. Alright. There's that. And while I was up here looking things over, I found a loose bolt on my thing here. Look loose. Maybe it isn't. No, it's tight. Somebody must have tightened it because it was loose before and I thought it was still loose. Somebody else. Oh no, that's the one right there. I know I saw one that was loose. I knew I was not that crazy. Well, I am crazy, but that don't look like it's tightening. I don't know if it's stripped. That must be stripped because it ain't tightening. Don't go through either. It must have been threaded in there. Huh. Definitely not tightening. It's just going around, I don't think. What the heck were they? Some kind of soft tap? Must have had this tapped to fix it later. Run a tap in it. I don't have taps with me right now. Look at little light bulbs. I got them lights that company sent me and I never put them in here. I was supposed to do a promotional video. I actually like them. They look like they'd work good. Okay, so anyway, we got the get a load of this. I got all the parts to do this. And what's his name? Josh came down to do them. We can't get these back in far enough to. There's an external ring right here. And then there's an internal ring. You push the gland back, you pull the internal ring, and then the gland, the end cap, the gland comes out. You pull the whole cylinder out and repack it. So I got new rods because these rods are destroyed. I guess I let them go too long. I didn't even realize it was that urgent, but whatever. I got new rods. So he came down to take it apart. We can't get this out. If anybody's got a trick, I thought about maybe a half pipe or something, and then try and catch it in here and even tack weld it here or something and use the hydraulics to push it back. But apparently John Deere told them that they get boogered up and they get burrs on them and they won't go back in. So stupid ass design. I don't know why they just can't put a cover on them like they used to, but they use the same ones on the grapple cylinders on the John Deere's too. I've had issues with them. I know Marv's had to heat the living shite out of them to get them to work, but whatever. Just to me, it's a crummy design. It's a lot of extra work. But anyway, I got to get them done. So he started working on them, and I said, well, just put it back together because I need the damn dozer. I'll just have to let it. But we were running it for a couple of weeks. It's only used a couple gallons of oil, so it ain't the end of the world. But I do got to get them fixed. It'd be nice to be able to just fix stuff, but I don't know. You got to overcome everybody's bad designs on this stuff, you know. I don't know what was wrong with the damn cover on it. And by a cover, I mean this type over here. You know, you put a chain wrench on them and take them off. They usually got a little set screw in them. See how these ones are? Well, these have got little bolts in them, you know. But even if you had to, you know, put a chain wrench on them and turn them, and that's the way we always, you know, whatever. This is a newer and better idea, I guess. Can't get them apart to fix them, but spend hours and hours. He was down here probably a couple hours at least, you know, pissing with them. Couldn't get them. Put it back together and can't fix it. Look at the hawk. Those guys love these clear cuts. Everything comes out. Oh, all right, I gotta get down and put a tip, and Clyde blew the tip out of the bar on Precious, so I gotta go put a tip in. All right, ta-ta, y'all. Hope you have a good day. It ain't rained yet. It looks like it's building, though. Looks like we're gonna have thunderstorms. They said no rain, but I find that very hard to believe. I don't think we've had a day without rain in, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3. Maybe 2 or 3 days without rain since probably March. I don't know. We had that nice dry spell for a couple of weeks in March, the end of March. And then like the first week of April it started raining and it ain't stopped yet. So. But everybody else is in the same boat. So. Alright guys, ta-ta, have a wonderful day. If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up and the likies and subscribe push buttons and all that happy stuff. So, all right, ta-ta, y'all. See ya.